world is a canvas painted with endless destinations, each telling a unique tale, waiting to become a chapter in your story. Every epic journey begins with a single thrilling choice. Hello, Wanderlust warriors. Welcome to the first episode of our travel series. Today, we embark on the most exhilarating part of any adventure, picking the perfect spot for your next journey. Do the ancient temples of Cambodia call your name? Or is it the sizzling, dancing streets of Buenos Aires? Maybe the tranquil beaches of the Maldives. Let's dive deep and uncover the secrets to selecting your dream destination. Dream big, do your research, and let's journey together to find the place that resonates with your soul. Stick around, and by the end of this episode, you'll have a clearer compass directing you to your next grand adventure. Are you ready? Let's begin. In our last video, we embarked on a journey to visualize and create your dream destination. Now let's focus on the intricate details that you might want to consider to ensure no aspect gets overlooked. This guide will provide a more elaborate breakdown in choosing your dream destination. Consider your personal interests, passions, and aspirations. Think about all of the activities, landscapes, sounds, and cultural experiences that resonate with you. Do you long for the tranquility of a beach or the thrill of hiking? Do you prefer exploring historic sites or listening to the pulse of a bustling city? Get to know your own travel style. Are you an adventurer seeking off the beaten path escapades? A cultural enthusiast eager to immerse yourself in local traditions? Or a leisure traveler in pursuit of relaxation and luxury? Write a travel bucket list. Include places that have captured your imagination through movies, books, documentaries, or recommendations from friends. This list can serve as a source of inspiration for building your dream destination. Embrace the power of AI and the internet. Explore travel websites, forums, social media, and AI apps to discover lesser-known gems and hidden treasures, and take advantage of the latest developments and conveniences that they offer. Engage with travel influencers and bloggers who might share some insight into your destination. Remember to balance your aspirations with practical considerations. Try to think about different factors like local laws, regulations, and health-related guidelines for international travel. Research the climate and seasonal variations of potential destinations. Are you drawn to the vibrant colors of autumn foliage or the warm embrace of tropical paradise? Make sure the timing aligns with your preferred climate. Sometimes destinations hold personal significance due to family roots, ancestral heritage, or life-changing experiences. These connections can infuse your journey with a profound sense of meaning. Consider the places that offer a blend of experiences. Look for the destinations that cater to diverse interests with your group. Whether it's a family, a group of friends, or a solo adventurer, explore it all. Trust your instincts. If a particular destination tugs at your heartstrings, it might be the one that holds the most promise for an unforgettable adventure. You have created your dream destination. Now it's time to write your story and compose your soundtrack. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.